This tutorial shows how to make a VOIDAR model tracking demo in Unity 3D. First, go to our website, Model Tracking page, and you can find the SDK download link and documentation here. In Model Tracking tutorial, you can find development environment and the Unity version. Here is the SDK download link and the model download link. You should download the SDK and model before getting started. This is the paper model resource. You can download here, print it, and refer to the instructions to make a paper model. The implement and building process are detailed in this tutorial. Now let's get started on VOIDAR model tracking demo. Open Unity 3D. Create new project. Import our SDK. Import the model. First, we need to generate initialization data and contour. Open VOIDAR tool. Open the Model Target Creator scene. First, we need to set the resolution of the game window to 640 by 360. Select the model, and make sure the read and write enabled property is selected. Drag the model to the scene. The length of the paper car corresponding to car model is 10 cm, so we need the cube as a reference. Adjust its position to 0. 10 cm is 0.1. Adjust the length of the car. Make it equal to the length of the cube. Now the length of the car equals to the length of the cube. Delete the cube. The adjustment of model scale has been done. Now let's adjust the position of the model. Make it centered in the game window. Set to 0 first. Rotate the model to make it look slower than our eye level. This is for model contour. The adjustment of model position has been done. Set the material of the model. Now the setting of the model has all been done. Select main camera. Drag the model to the parameter of Model 3D. We also need to set the output path here. Copy the path and paste it. Now we have done all the settings. Click Play. Click Create Init Data. Here's tips for successfully created. Stop play. Switch windows. The initial contour PNG and the initial data will be generated in the directory. Create a new scene. Save the scene. Delete main camera. Drag the prefab's AR camera and model target to the scene. Drag the model to the scene as well. Select model target. Drag the model into virtual object. Drag the data into initial data. Expand model target. Select init contour and drag it here. Select AR camera and drag model target here. Now we need the license key. We can get it from VOIDAR website. Open our website. Go to Cloud. Go to DEV portal. Register first if you don't have an account, and then log in. Create model tracking app. Create application. Input app ID. Make sure that your app ID and bundle identifier must be the same. Click Save. Copy app key. Paste it in Unity. Switch the PC platform to Android platform. Click Player Setting to set a parameter. Make sure the app ID is the same. Cancel the selection of multi-threaded rendering. And the current scene. By here, model tracking process is done. We have very detailed Android and iOS publishing document on our website.